Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mary and I am back with another interesting video today. So in our today's video we're going to be cooking, so cook with me today. I'm gonna be sharing with you a recipe that someone shared with me, and I thought it was a good idea for me to share with my YouTube fans. So let me show you the ingredients that I have for what you're going to cook. So you're going to cook cabbage, and I love my cabbage with some greens. So this is cabbage and spinach, and over this side we have our onions, and then this is one big tomato, and then the bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and I don't know whether you can see, this is tangawizi, I mean ginger. And then you're also going to need some spices, so I'm gonna be using turmeric and mixed spices, then salt, and you'll also need some cooking oil. So those are the few ingredients that we need for us to cook cabbage. So let's get into the cooking. Kindly, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like this video, and share. Leave a comment on what you think about it. So the first step is lighting up your heat and adjusting it to medium. Place your pan and let it heat for a while, and then you add your cooking oil, just some amount of cooking oil, not too much and not too little. And then give it some time to warm up. I like it when it's warm because it makes the onions cook faster compared to putting the onions together with the oil at the same time. After the oil is warm, you can add your onions and then stir a little bit and let it cook for a while. You can cook your onions until they attain your preference, that is if you love them golden brown or before they turn golden brown, and then add your ginger and then stir a little bit. Then you can add the bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and then the tomatoes at the same time, and then you stir and give it time to cook until the tomatoes are ready. And then before you cover it, you can add salt to taste. Purchase beats with Since the tomatoes are now cooked, you can add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and also half teaspoon of the mixed spices and any other favorite spices that you have. And then add the cabbage and make sure you stir well until it blends well with the tomato paste. Cover and let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Purchase beets with and this recipe can go so well with ugali, rice, or mashed potatoes. Yeah, and it's so good. You can try it and tell me in the comment section how you feel about it. And that's it for our today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Kindly try this recipe and tell me how it goes. Subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave a comment on what you think about this video. Goodbye, see you in the next video. I love you.